Porsche 9441982-89. The Porsche 944 is a sports car manufactured by German automobile manufacturer Porsche from 1982 to 1991. A front-engine, rear-wheel drive mid-level model based on the 924 platform, the 944 was available in coupe or cabriolet body styles, with either naturally aspirated or turbocharged engines. With over 163,000 cars produced, the 944 was the most successful sports car in Porsche's history until the introductions of the Boxster and 997 Carrera. Extensive design revisions for the 1992 model year prompted Porsche to drop the 944 nameplate and rebrand the vehicle as the 968. The 924 had originally been a project of VW Porsche, a joint Porsche, Volkswagen company incorporated to develop and produce the 914, which was sold in Europe badged as both a Porsche and a Volkswagen. In 1972, a replacement for the Volkswagen version of the 914, codenamed EA425, began development. The model was to be sold as an Audi as part of the VW Audi Porsche marketing arrangement. Porsche was to manufacture its own version of the car. At one point, Volkswagen head Rudolf Leidig declared the EX425 was going to be a Volkswagen exclusively, thus denying Porsche's version of the 914's replacement. Although testing had begun in the spring of 1974, Volkswagen cancelled the EX425 program, the reason being significant financial losses due to declining sales and rising development costs for new vehicles as well as the departure of Leidig. The recently introduced Volkswagen Scirocco was expected to fill the sports coupe market segment, and the unfinished project was handed over to Audi to serve as the replacement for the Audi 100. The cancellation of the EX425 program led Porsche to market an entry-level car to replace the 912e, which was a US-only stopgap model for 1976, and their version of the 914, which was discontinued in 1975. Porsche purchased the design and the finished development mule with a Bosch K-Jetronic mechanical fuel injection system from Volkswagen. The vehicle, dubbed the 924, received positive reviews, but was criticized by Porsche enthusiasts for its Audi-sourced 2.0 liters engine. In 1979, Porsche introduced a turbocharged version of the 924 to increase performance, but this model carried a high price. Rather than scrapping the model from its lineup, Porsche decided to develop the 944, as they had done with generations of the 911. Although model numbers would change, the 924 would provide the basis for this new mid-level model. The prototype of this mid-level model debuted at Le Mans in 1981, an unusual strategy implemented by Porsche at the time. Called the 924 GTP Le Mans, the car was based on the 924 Carrera GT Le Mans that competed in the event prior to the GTP's introduction. The most noticeable change in the new race car was the departure from the Audi-sourced 2.0 liters inline-4 engine in favor of the 2.5 liters engine developed by Porsche. The new engine was mounted at an angle of 45 degrees to the right and utilized a dual overhead camshaft along with counter-rotating balance shafts, an unusual and unique feature for its time that provided better weight distribution and ensured smooth power delivery by eliminating inherent vibrations, resulting in the engine lasting longer. A single KKK turbocharger producing 15.5 pounds per square inch, 1.1 bar, enabled the engine to generate a maximum power output of 420 PS, 309 kilowatts, 414 horsepower, at 6,800 revolutions per minute. The engine also utilized Bosch's prototype Motronic engine management system to control ignition timing, fuel injection and boost pressure. The new race car proved to be much more fuel efficient than its predecessor, stopping only 21 times in 24 hours for fuel. The 924 GTP managed 7th position overall behind the race-winning 936 and a class win at the GTP Plus 3.0 category in 1981 before being retired and stored in the Porsche Museum. In 1982, Porsche debuted the production road-legal version of the race car, called the 944. The car utilized many technologies its race-bred sibling had used, including the balance shafts and the engine management system, but power was toned down for safety purposes.